Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can generate external cash transactions automatically. We have to remember few basic points, important points. We have to enter the bank statement lines. Based on this, system has to generate system transactions automatically. Here, we only create bank charges in the bank statement and creating the bank charges in bank statement transactions. System transactions will be performed by system and system will automatically reconcile. Transaction code which we enter in bank statement and transaction code while we are creating the bank statement transaction creation rule should match. Now, let us see what are all the configurations that we have to do. Click on your username. Click on setup and maintenance. Search for the task called bank statement transaction codes. Search. Open the task. Now here we want to fill. The transaction code is 1071 and description bank charges and transaction type is fee. Say save and close. Click on done. Now we'll create rules. Go to the task, manage bank statement transaction creation rules. Open this task. Click on create button to create a transaction rule, Say ERPZEN transaction creation rule. Select your legal entity. ERPZEN legal entity. Now here, select type as fee and transaction code 1071. And under transaction details, select type as fee and select your business unit. ERPZEN business unit. Here, select the cash account. Say OK. And select the offset account. Offset account is nothing but this is the debit line. Say company, department, and our account is bank charges account. Click on search, bank charges, product. To say OK. And offset account is the debit line and the cash account is the credit line. Say save and close. Now assign this at bank account level. Search for the task called Manage Bank Accounts. Click on the task. Now search for your bank account. Click on Controls. Under Bank Statement Transaction Creation Rule, assign your rule ERPZEN Transaction Creation Rule. Now say save and close. Click on Done. And now click on Navigator or hamburger icon. Click on Cash Management, Bank Statement and Reconciliation. Click on Task List or Task Pane. Now click on Manage Transactions. Select your bank account. Hit search. You can see only one transaction with $20. Now we'll create a bank statement record with $10 and check. Click on Create Bank Statement. Now say our bank account is ERPZEN bank account. From date I want to take from May 1st. To date I want to take up until 31st. And statement ID 1075. Enter the statement lines. Click on Add. Booking date and transaction code. Make sure that the code is matching. Click on OK. Flow indicator debit. We'll create it for $40. Now say OK. Click on Save. Save and close. Now click on Navigator. Click on Bank Statement and Reconciliation. Click on Task List or Task Pane. Click on Generate Cash Transactions. Now select your bank account. ERPZEN bank account. From date from May 1st to May 31st. Click on Submit. 1799. Let us check. Create bank statement transactions. It is successfully completed. Now we'll check whether system automatically generated the transactions. Click on Cash Management, Bank Statement and Reconciliation. Click on Task List or Task Pane. Now click on Manage Transactions. Search with your bank account. Click Search. Now here you can see system has automatically created the transaction and it is automatically reconciled and the origin is from bank statement. Now click on edit to see the accounting entries. So cash account will be credited and offset account will be debited. Now click on cancel. Even if you run bank statement report, you can see all these transactions in bank statement. Click on home. I hope you liked this video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.